Alright guys, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do this. Yes, this 70 Wildcat Convertible will roll again. The Lord's will, because I won't stop till this black beauty drops its top. So come on guys, join me on this build. Follow, share, like, comment in the description. Let me know, give me feedback what I'm doing. But I'm gonna do this. She's gonna roll again, guys. She's gonna roll again. So I'm coming here today and I'm gonna be taking this rear bumper down. So it looked like I got a bolt right there, right there. But then I'm gonna take these two off on the bracket here. But it do look like the one with the bracket there, that's gonna have to come loose on both sides. So I'm gonna try to get this rear bumper off of here and see what all it takes to get this off of here. Alright guys, so when taking these bumpers off, I pulled this up rest between here and I got all of these sockets out. So now I just want to the wires was like in here, so I want to pull these out. I want to get my ratchet here and get these off of here before I finish dropping this bumper down. Just want to get everything off of here before I take these last few bolts out the bumper. In that way this wire won't come down with this. So then, like always, I like putting my bolts back so that way where my screws or bolts or whatever, so that way I have track of them here. So now this should all be loose. It's coming around here. I got a wire here I gotta unhook. I need both hands to do that, and then I think this bumper will be ready to come off of here. Just unplugs there. Last screw loose here. Alright, so that's why I decided to move this wire out the way first. I got one more ground wire right here that's got to come off, and then this bumper should be ready to drop off of here. Alright, so now see that wire is totally separated from the bumper. So now I come in here and just remove this bumper. Alright guys, so since I don't have this car jacked up high enough and I'm a one-man band, I couldn't just get the camera up under there to show you how this, why I was taking this bumper loose. But you got the two nuts and bolts that go right there. Now if you wanted to take it loose from the bumper and the bracket, I mean, and that bottom panel, you got one here, and then these two is for the bumper brace, and then this bottom piece is gonna separate from the bumper with all of these screws here. And I know a lot of this is self-explanatory. Holds the lights in place here to take the lights out. But that's how this bumper comes loose. So I'm gonna be taking all of this stuff off, disassembling this, and then be ready to see which bumpers I'm gonna use to get re-chromed around here, because this one is, like, I see a little dentation there. Probably this bumper here, it's got dings and dents there. It's got a bend there. So let's see if Bob got a better bumper. It's all dent up here. Because a better bumper, the less it costs to get it re-chromed. So see if I can find me a better bumper to go on this car. Yeah, see, by this getting hit here, all of this is all dented in right here. So I'd rather have a bumper that's got most surface rust on it but totally straight than having one all dented up like this. So come in and do these light brackets. Alright, so I'm gonna come in and heat these up. You ain't got no gas nowhere, guys. Nothing flammable. Okay guys, so with this here, I just want to use my little propane heater because I don't want this to get too hot. But that thing on there, it is they are stubborn, not going to come off. So I just want to brush and loosen the heat. Because I'm heating that up, I just want to come in here with my pry bar. I just want to come in here with my pry bar and get that started. And the thing with this is, guys, is that these are so tight here. I'm telling you, I don't understand why they did it like this, but they did, guys. So you can't get nothing in here. Little open in. But boy, just the way they used to do things. And like I say, with this torch here, I'm not putting too much heat on that. So and all I'm gonna do, guys, is just keep swapping these around till I get all of these bolts out. Boy, you don't want to get on all things Buick looking like a bandit, do you?
Yeah.
Put a mask, they can see that ugly mug. Where my disc at? Where my?
Man, I've been.
Oh, here you go, guys.
I've been down, man.
You know, whenever they start making excuses. Oh yeah.
You gotta do all things Pontiac, man. Bring the Pontiac down here.
Oh man, look at you. That's gonna be in my others. I'm going to start doing something, go to car shows and other cars, the others.
I hear you, bro.
We're gonna do the others.
Yeah.
All right, let me sign off. All right, so now that I got this off, this break loose now, so come loose. The pieces separate there, so got to take all of those out just to get those out of there. Alright guys, so I don't know, probably can't see in here. Yeah, you can. I get it. Alright, but it's just all pitted, and so a lot of times, guys, what I might end up doing with this, now getting this re-chromed is probably just going to be so much money that I might end up just sandblasting this, and I paint it black on the inside, and this outside might be like, because I might do a burgundy in the interior was white, but I might do a burgundy and black interior. So this outside here, I might end up doing this all you know, the same color of the car, you know, well, color that I'm going to be doing the interior. So I sandblast this and just get all of this cleaned up. But man, I just can't, I don't know about getting all of this stuff re-chromed, but I'll wait and see. It's according to how far and how fast I'm trying to get this thing together and what my funds look like. So might be easier just to sandblast and paint, guys.